All right, this is the install cart, so it's very versatile for getting your slabs into the location. All tires are swivel wheels, and they're all solid rubber, so they're not going to pop on you. Totally adjustable height-wise, and I'll show a description of the total height, but you can put a 42-inch high bar top in here easy with raising it up to the height. Also it pivots, you pop these pins down. So you can pivot down, and raise it up and down. These arms come out, these support arms come out at different lengths, and they're all pinned with a bolt pin, so you can adjust it to whatever width you need to support it at. And it does come with, I got a cover for this. I got a cover that sits on here that's all plastic. Zoom out, turn around and show them that cover sleeve, this white thing here. Yep. That sits on top of the cart if you want to have a smooth, slippery surface for sliding off your slab onto another, to the cabinet. Okay, so zoom back over here. These are leg extenders if you need some extra support. So they slide in. They're on caster wheels, so they'll roll with the whole unit. But if you have this extending and you've got a big island with a big width to it, and you feel like you want a little bit extra support, so for tippage, these come in here. You just tighten them up. So and then when you have them, you don't need them, you just put them in there out of your way, or remove them totally. But really handy. I've used them on some big monster pieces before. But really, I mean, some island pieces that I've had in certain situations, but for the most part I don't need them at all. It's pretty stable. But with having the direct single post in there, and having this thing to where you're traveling with this up and down, and if you raise it up, you can get, if you take these out of the way, it'll even go up even more vertically. But you can get it in door entrances and turns really sharp. So it works out really nice with the design of it. But that is up for sale too, and I will put the pricing and everything and all the details on the